what? You can always switch your husband's mood. So let's bring smile to your spouse's face by doing something special for them. Today we're going to help you in surprising your partners by doing something magical. Hello, I'm your cake expert Sarah and you're watching RFAQK. We're here to level up your cake decorations. So grab your apron, let's bake some tasty cake for your husband's day. Begin by preheating the oven to 175 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Grease two 8-inch round cake pans with oil or cooking spray and line the bottoms and side with parchment. In a medium bowl, whisk 2 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and then keep aside. In a separate large bowl, add 1 cup of vegetable oil and 2 cups of sugar and beat on a medium speed for a few minutes. Then add eggs one by one and beat until smooth. Mix in 8 large eggs on a medium speed, one at a time. Add vanilla essence and beat again. Add in half of the dry ingredients into the mixture and beat again. Scrape the sides of the bowl with a spatula to ensure the flour gets fully incorporated. Make sure each pan has the same amount of batter. Top the pans against the counter to help the batter settle. Take a white fondant and roll it out on a clean powdered surface. Using a fondant cutter, carefully cut out a rectangular shape for the shirt and make straight lines. Smooth out any edges for a clean finish. Now, with the help of fondant stamper, make buttons and apply edible glue to paste on the inner shirt. Now roll out royal blue fondant to make the coat. With the help of the fondant cutter, make pattern on the sides. It's time for the collar. Roll out the white fondant and make a round shape. Now, let's fashion a stylist bow. Cut one rectangular piece for the bow and a smaller rectangle for the center. Gently fold sticks to make a beautiful pattern. Use a bit of edible glue to stick the piece together. Take out cakes from the oven and allow to cool for 10 minutes. Remove cakes from the pans and allow cakes to place on a cooling rack until just warm. Trim the tops of the cakes with RFAQK cake leveler to make them level. To frost the cake, place a large cake layer on the RFAQK's turntable with board. Level the cakes with RFAQK's cake leveler. Start layering the cakes by placing each layer on cake board. Soak each layer with milk and then spread chocolate buttercream and chocolate chips by rotating RFAQK's turntable. Frost each layer by repeating the same process. And press down the entire cake for final coating. Use RFAQK's straight spatula to crumb coat the cake and finish it using icing scraper.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today.
For the final coat, use piping bags to cover the entire cake. Scrape the excess buttercream and fill in any gaps. Refrigerate it for a few minutes until set. Now, with the help of a scraper, knead the top edges of the cake. Let's decorate our cake with the fondant. Simply place them onto the cake's surface by gently pressing them into the place. And there you have it, a simple yet elegant fondant shirt and bow that will add a touch of sophistication to Husband's Day cake.